There's some pieces that I've made that blew me away. Kind of surreal almost. My name is Mason Faucher, and I started here in 2015. The drift chair is one of my favorites to build. There's a lot to the chair. There's a lot of fitting. The joinery is also a big thing. My favorite things is to round over the square outside edges of the arms. You make them taper from round back to square as it goes up the side of the arms. That's the art in the whole chairs department. Well, it's a lot of learning in chairs. And I was there for almost 5 years. Did an internal application for the CNC. I enjoy learning how to run it and how to operate it. To have that background and get the feel for everything in the shop. I like all of it. What drew me into woodworking? I think being able to build something from nothing almost with your bare hands. There's a pride in building something from start to finish. That's the cool part when you look back and realize you get to put your name on your work. All woodworking is an art, whether it's square edge or sculpting. It's all an art.